When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money ain't a thing. Call it automatic bang. When I switch lanes, then them doors swing.
Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight, I'm going to talk about more history from Dominican Republic. Tourist police, politur, protect and guide international tourists in the various tourist areas. Develop programs that play a little role in making the tourist sector more efficient. Eradicate unlicensed street buildings in tourist areas. Eradicate and maintain a strict culture of prostitution by both sexes as well as child prostitution. Counteract crimes and offenses against property that harm the tourist sector. Rights of the foreigner. The Constitution of the Dominican Republic recognizes the following rights which also apply to foreigners. The right to life, right to personal security, the inviolability of the home, freedom of movement, freedom of action, freedom of expression, freedom of association for economy, social, cultural, or any other purpose, freedom of worship, right of privacy which include correspondence and private documents, freedom of work, free enterprise, protection of private property, protection for a period of time or exclusive rights to inventions and discovery. Okay guys, it was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.
Mierda, marico. Uf.
Buen día, pueblo de Venezuela. Mira a tu izquierda.
Que planteó el régimen con grupos reducidos.
Señores del gobierno de Estados Unidos, del pequeño grupo que pretendió llenar, eso es lo que llaman de este golpe de engaño, es un verdadero golpe de engaño, una escaramuza golpista avanzada absolutamente en la simulación, el engaño y la mentira, y por eso se quedaron solos. El 80% del personal militar y policial ya al mediodía los había abandonado.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money ain't a thing. Call it automatic bang.